Hi there. Well, I believe the time has come for you to register with Thrive and become a shareholder and start making money together with us. Isn't that exciting? Right, so we're going to take you through the registration process. Just before you register, you first need to decide which package you want to buy. So please make sure you first watch the video called Just Before You Join. That will explain all these different packages to you, and then you can decide which package you want, and then you can see there in the middle row the cost of that package, how much Bitcoins you're going to use to buy it. Right, so I want to show you quickly where you can buy Bitcoins, because before you register, you have to make sure you first have your Bitcoins. Please don't register if you don't have your Bitcoins yet, or that if I help you, that I have your Bitcoins ready to pay for your shares. So to get your Bitcoins, you can buy Bitcoins here at www.localbitcoin.com. That is especially a program designed to buy and sell Bitcoins, so you can buy it from them. And the other option is that you use me. You can use PayPal, because we already have Bitcoins, so you might as well use us. PayPal, my account, that is my account, the same as my email address that you see there. That is also my PayPal account. And then you can use a South African bank. I'm with 3 banks. I'm with Absa, I'm with FNB, and I'm with Capitec. So if you have access to those South African banks, you can make a deposit into my account. And then you can also make a deposit into my LiuPay dollar account, or you can use MoneyGram or Western Union. Whatever you choose, we are here to help you so that you can get your Bitcoins and get started. All right, so please feel free to email me for any help. And if you want to buy from me, then I can give you all the bank details or whatever you need for you to buy from me. All right, so let's go to the registration page and see how we can help you to register. Right, this Thrive's registration page, and we're going to start right on the top. You will see there are 2 blocks there which you must click, and you just see there, click those 2 blocks. Then you go to Add Space Directory and you choose Business Ads. Don't choose Classified Ads, choose Business Ads. Then you can put any company name there on the right hand side, any company name. You can even use Thrive if you like, because now that you're a shareholder of Thrive, you basically have a company. So you can use that. You can use your own company. You can make up a name. It doesn't really matter. Then the next line, you're going to put your name there on the left, your surname on the right. Then the member ID who invited me, that will appear automatically on your screen. If it does not, you can email me for information, but we never had that problem. The member ID should appear there, and the name of the person as well. Then you put your cell phone number on the left. On the right is your email address. Very important that you put the right email address here. And then your date of birth, and choose a password about 5 digits long, and confirm your password on the right. Then there you can see the different packages as well. Ignore the last one, the App32. We're not using it at the moment, but you can choose any of these shares. Just click on it, because by now you already decided which one you're gonna buy. And then the next line is your address. That's simple, your province or your state, your city, and there on the left your zip and postal code, and there on the right is your country. You're just going to click on that button there, and all the countries will appear, and you select the country that you are from, or where you are residing rather. And then the next one, after the zip code and your country and things, it asks for your Bitcoin wallet details. So here at Bitcoin wallet name, you just put your own name there, and then on the right hand side it asks for your Bitcoin wallet address. Now there you're just going to put 3 X's, just XXX. That's all you need to put in there. Unless you already have a Bitcoin address, then you're going to put your own Bitcoin address in there. But if not, just put XXX. then last two buttons there, that little block there on the right, you click both those little blocks, and then you hit submit there. Just press on submit. The moment you press on submit, you're gonna get a following screen, and it's gonna look exactly like this. Not exactly, it's gonna have different names, but it's gonna look like this. Now I suggest that you do a print screen and just keep a copy of this, but then also please take note of your member ID. That's very important. Copy and paste it somewhere, and this is very important, this red address here. Highlight it. Don't make a print screen. Highlight this address here. Save it somewhere. Okay. Then this screen will also be emailed to you by Thrive. Thrive will email the screen to you. And why this address is important? Because this is where you pay for the share. You're going to pay your Bitcoins to this share. Okay. If you bought in localbitcoin.com, from localbitcoin.com, you're going to make a payment to this account. Also, if you are using my services, please forward that email to me so that I can copy this address of yours and make the payment in Bitcoins to you. Well, that is easy and simple. So, welcome to the family, I want to say, because I know you're going to be part of us and you're going to enjoy thriving with us. Thank you.